Tinukoy na ang ilan sa mga bagong mamumuno sa mga komite sa Senado. Kabilang dyan si Senator Pia Cayetano, Committee on Ways and Means, Committee on Energy at Committee on Sustainable Development Goals, Innovation and Futures Thinking. Senate President Pro Tempore Loren Legarda, Committee on Culture and Arts at Committee on Basic Education. Senator Christopher Bongo, Senate Committee on Health at Committee on Sports. Senator Jingo Estrada, Committee on Defense and National Security at Committee on Games and Amusements. Senate Acting Majority Floor Leader Joel Villanueva, Committee on Higher Technical and Vocational Education. Senator Rodante Marculeta, Committee on Public Services. Senator Robin Padilla, Committee on Public Information and Mass Media at Committee on Cultural Communities and Muslim Affairs. Bukod kay Marculeta, pinag-aaralan ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano na ibigay sa kanyang kapatid na si Senator Pia Cayetano ang chairmanship ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee.